Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to enable profile views on TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and enable the profile views so that you could see those people who stalk you. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to launch the TikTok application, and once you're already here, let's go ahead and tap on our profile right here. And what I want you guys to do is to tap on this 2 steps or walking or basically footmark icon so that we could enable our profile views. Or this is actually our profile views or our profile view history. All we need to do in order for us to enable this is to just tap on, turn on, and now it is enabled. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.